If you want to stop people from tagging you in photos on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off photo tagging so you can control who can mention or tag you in image posts. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner, more private experience on the platform. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open up the full menu with additional settings and options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Now you'll be taken to the main settings area for your account. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the controls related to your account visibility, interaction preferences, and tagging options. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, click Audience, Media and Tagging. This section controls who can interact with your content and how other users can tag or mention you. Now look for photo tagging and click it. You should see the option related to allowing photo tags on your account. To prevent people from tagging you in photos, simply toggle photo tagging off. As soon as you switch it off, photo tagging will be disabled for your account, helping you limit unwanted tags and keep more control over your profile. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off photo tagging on X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more short and useful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.